I'd rather disappoint a client than disappoint my child. That hits hard, doesn't it? Because as tutors, we are some of the most caring people out there. We genuinely want to make a difference, and that's beautiful, but somewhere along the way, we miss the bedtime story. We have to say no to that family day out. We become that person that we used to be back when we were in the classroom. Busy, stressed, and stretched too thin. I've spoken to so many tutors who say things like, Ellie, I started this business so I could be more present with my family, but I feel like I'm working more than ever. And if this is you, I want you to know you're not alone. You're not doing anything wrong. You have just outgrown the one-to-one model. And I'm going to say this loud and clear because somebody needs to hear this today. You can always find another client, but those precious years with your kids, you'll never get those back. Let's let that sink in for a moment. Because when we constantly prioritise our clients, our business over our kids and our family, we send them this message that our presence is somehow optional, that our peace, our own joy and our own health can wait. But what are we actually building this business for? Isn't it so that we can be there for the school pickups, say yes to spontaneous park trips and read that bedtime story without yawning halfway through it and reaching for our phone for the fear that we might have missed another message from a client? That's exactly why I built the 2-Hour Tutor method, to help tutors like you create a business that fits around your life, not the other way around. A business that does not depend on 20 lessons a week, that isn't glued to term time chaos or peaks and troughs with exam stress. Because if a client or a business model does not respect your boundaries, then it's not the perfect business model. It's a distraction from the life that you are trying to build. Your kids, your family, your friends, they don't need a tired, burnt out version of you. They want the present, joyful, fulfilled person. And you deserve that too, right? You deserve time freedom. You deserve to have energy to actually enjoy your evenings, to do things that you want to do, rather than thinking I've got to cram all of my evenings full of one-to-one sessions. And also, it wouldn't be nice to have the confidence in your niche and all those leads coming in for that one specialism, so that you can confidently say no to clients that don't fit what you want your business to look like. So if this message has stirred something inside you and you know it is time to start seriously looking at moving away from one-to-one and towards a streamlined, structured, niched, profitable and more time abundant group tutoring model, then I've got something amazing for you. If you head to the description and grab from the link my free group tutoring guide, it will outline the 5 pillars that you need in place in order to transition successfully from one-to-one to group tutoring. As a bonus, if you download the 2-Hour Tutor app, you can access my free masterclass, which goes through all of this in far more detail. So grab yourself the link, get the free guide. Don't forget to download the app, watch the masterclass, and I'll see you on the other side. Your family, your friends, your future self are going to thank you for it.